You see the open road? You know what time it is. Food travels, baby. Let's go. Yes, y'all. And then don't stop. My foodies, what up? It's your boy J Tight in the building. You know what it is. Hey, and we on our way to Jose's Mexican restaurant. We gotta get some money. I gotta give me some Latina in my. Oh, I got one. Salvadorian. Yo, so we about to go check out the food. Tell me what y'all think. Thank y'all for liking this good food. Thank y'all for liking the series that we doing. Let's get it started right now. I see my foodies there. We about to eat. All right, y'all, so we're looking at one of these amazing fire meals from Jose's, a Mexican restaurant, delicioso. I love Mexican food, as you guys know. Well, Hispanic food, I love the Hispanic culture, as you guys know. And check it out. I cannot wait to sink my teeth in, but it's not just my plate. It's not just my plate. The chicken plate, the chicken platter. Quesadilla and fries. Burrito and salad. All right, so I'm sinking my teeth in right now. I will let you guys know about all the flavor and the juices that explode inside my mouth. Pause, no homo. Let's go. All right, y'all, so Jose Mexican restaurant was really good. The food, I had a fajita plate, which had shrimp, chicken, and steak. So rice, beans, tortillas, guacamole, sour cream, pico de gallo. You can't go wrong with the food. It was amazing. Fantastic. The flavor is on point. I'm actually gonna go finish mine because I didn't get a chance to finish it. It was that good. What about you? How was you feeling about yours?
Oh no, I had the chicken asada plate. So I had rice and beans, guacamole. I gave him the pico because I don't like onion. And then flour tortillas. And I don't have any leftover. It was really good. The rice was perfect.
Yeah, so there it is. Food Travels, episode 4, I think. Episode 4. And we stayed in our area, you know, so we did travel a little bit. Today I got some more stuff to put up, but that's for another video. This is Food Travels, and all we care about is food on this segment. So my foodies, thank you. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. You already know. I'll see you in the next one.